Wake up. Stop sleeping. I wake up at 6 a.m. every day. She woke up late and missed the bus. Get up. Get out of bed. I get up as soon as my alarm rings. He got up early to go jogging. Turn off. Stop an alarm, light, or device. I turned off my alarm and went back to sleep. Please turn off the lights before leaving. Freshen up. Wash your face, brush your teeth, and get ready. She freshened up before breakfast. I need to freshen up before going out. Brush up on. Review or improve a skill. I brushed up on my Spanish before the trip. He needs to brush up on his grammar. Put on. Wear clothes or accessories. He put on his jacket before leaving. I put on my makeup every morning. Take off. Remove clothing or accessories. She took off her shoes at the door. He took off his hat inside the house. Do up. Fasten buttons, zippers, or laces. Can you help me do up my dress? He did up his shoelaces before running. Zip up. Fasten a zipper on clothes. Don't forget to zip up your jacket, it's cold. She zipped up her bag before leaving. Heat up. Warm food. I heated up some soup for breakfast. He heated up his coffee in the microwave. Gobble down. Eat quickly. She gobbled down her toast and rushed out. He gobbled down his lunch in 5 minutes. Wash up. Clean hands or dishes. I washed up before eating. She washed up the plates after breakfast. Run out of. Have none left. We ran out of milk this morning. I ran out of toothpaste and need to buy more. Pick up. Collect someone or something. He picked up his bag and left. I'll pick you up at 8 a.m. Drop off. Take someone somewhere. I dropped off my kids at school. Can you drop me off at the station? Head out. To leave. I'm heading out for work now. She headed out to meet her friend. Clock in. Start work by recording the time. He clocked in at 9 a.m. I forgot to clock in this morning. Catch up on. Do something you missed. I need to catch up on my emails. She's catching up on her studies. Hand in. To submit. I handed in my report on time. She handed in her assignment yesterday. Look over. To review quickly. The manager looked over my report. I looked over my notes before the test. Fill out. To complete a form. Please fill out this application. He filled out the survey online. Jot down. To write quickly. I jotted down the meeting details. She jotted down her shopping list. Lay off. To dismiss from work. The company laid off some employees. He was laid off due to budget cuts. Take over. To assume control. She took over the project. His assistant took over while he was sick. Wrap up. To finish. Let's wrap up this meeting. They wrapped up their work early. Eat out. To dine at a restaurant. We ate out for lunch. Let's eat out tonight. Sort out. To organize or solve a problem. I need to sort out my files. He sorted out his schedule. Tidy up. To clean or arrange. She tidied up the living room. I need to tidy up my desk. Take out. To remove or bring outside. He took out the trash. She took out her phone to call him. Drop by. To visit briefly. She dropped by my office. I'll drop by your house later. Look after. To take care of. She looks after her younger brother. He looked after the pets while we were away. Lie down. To rest on a bed or sofa. I lay down for a nap. He lay down after work. Doze off. To fall asleep unintentionally. He dozed off during the movie. I dozed off while reading. Kick back. To relax. I kicked back and watched TV. He kicked back after a long day. Catch up with. To talk to someone after a while. I caught up with my friend over dinner. She caught up with her family.